I know you've met Zoe.
You want to meet Zeke? Zeke, Zoe's met. Who's that?
You see him?
That's Gabriel.
Can you two not fight?
Yeah, no PISS on each other. Don't pee on each other. All right, Zoe, I know you two have met. And Zeke just met. I'll hold him.
What's up, Gabe?
No, Zeke didn't hiss. Ooh, growl.
They bump noses.
They bumped. Okay, Zoe, that's your boyfriend now.
Zeke, how do you feel about him?
He will be your friend. You have a girlfriend. Your girlfriend is Gibson.
Yeah, you and Gibson could get along. And we'd be fine.
They're not hissing at each other.
Zeke's a little agitated.
No, he's really not. They would have hissed at each other. All right, let's take them away. We have 2 cats down. I really want to see how Stolly takes to Gabe. All right, let's go back home. All right, bye, Gabe. We have 2 down. Now we have to see how Stolly reacts to Gabe. They didn't do so bad. Zeke only a little bit was shaking his tail, but he didn't hiss. Zoe didn't hiss. Okay, I'm gonna